Hey everybody, it's time for another mortgage minimum post. So you took your pre-qual, you went all over God's green earth with your realtor, and you found a property, you made an offer, and you got an acceptance. Now what? Well, you open escrow. What's escrow? It's a third party that handles the transaction, that verifies that both sides are doing their part to close this transaction. Next, you'll receive an initial disclosure from your loan officer to electronically sign. These are the numbers. These are preliminary numbers of what you're going to need to close escrow, closing costs, and down payment. These are not set in stone. This is just an initial disclosure. Next, you'll get a home inspection that you'll set up with your realtor, and you'll get an appraisal ordered by your loan officer. An appraisal is to check the value of the home to make sure you're not overpaying, or the lender will not not overlend on the home. Next, the loan officer will take all those documents you got them, and they will send it to underwriting. Underwriting is a process where they verify and validate all your documents and make sure the guidelines are met to give you a loan approval. Somewhere during the process, you're going to receive a closing disclosure. Like the initial disclosure, it has numbers, escrow, title, down payment. These numbers will be closer to what your final numbers will be. They are not, again, set in stone. There will be some little adjustments by the time you get to that signing table, but these are more like what you will need to close. About 5 to 7 days before closing, you will do a final walkthrough of the property with your realtor. Once underwriting has verified everything and reviewed everything, and they've checked off all the guidelines, you receive a loan approval. And these are the three magical words that everybody in this transaction wants to hear: is clear to close. Finally, you will receive a signing date. This is when you go to escrow, or a mobile notary will come to you and you will sign the docs at the table, and they will be notarized, and they will be the final numbers that you will see that you are paying to close this deal and what you will need to bring to the table. Once you sign these documents in Los Angeles County, you sign docs. The next day, the loan funds are sent to escrow, and the next day they record the sale, and that home is yours. In other counties, like Ventura County, you can fund and record on the same day, but in Los Angeles County, we do it the next day. So the day you record is the day you get your keys. Now, it could be noon, it could be 5. It is all decided based on what's on the purchase contract and what you decide with the buyer seller. Congratulations, you've closed on your home, you own it. You can knock yourself out and go get a big old credit card and finance your couches now.